Presenting the Tecno Spark 7 Pro smartphone gives a superior experience in every aspects. It is available in Alps Blue and Magnet Black. The phone comes with a 4GB RAM plus 64GB internal memory and 6GB RAM plus 64GB internal memory for a smooth performance while playing games or switching between multiple apps. Tecno Spark has a 6.6-inch dot-in IPS display with an 89.5% screen-to-body ratio for an uninterrupted viewing experience. With 1600 x 720 pixels resolution, the phone delivers vivid colors and clarity. It comes with a fingerprint sensor, allowing you to unlock your phone instantly and securely. It also has special features like App Twin, Audio Share 2.0. The phone features a 48-megapixel AI triple camera with main camera AF 48-megapixel, portrait camera 2-megapixel/3p/f2a and AL lens 1pf/2.0. It also has many features like dual flash, super night shot, eye autofocus, smile shot, video bokeh, video beauty, wide selfie. Short video in the front and the rear enables super night shot, smile shot, time-lapse video, slow motion, video bokeh, video beauty, eye autofocus to capture the beautiful memories. Powered by Android 11 operating system with Helio G80 processor at 90Hz refresh rate, this phone gives a smooth performance during games and video playback. The phone has a 5000 mAh lithium-ion battery with 35 hours of phone talk time and 34 days of phone standby time. The box includes smartphone, charger, USB cable, SIM ejector and TPU cover. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking.
TDDI display with 90.2% screen-to-body ratio and 20:9 aspect ratio, providing a larger viewing area with 720 by 1600 pixels resolution, 268 ppi pixel density and 480 nits super brightness. The phone delivers vivid colors and clarity. It comes with a fingerprint sensor, allowing you to unlock your phone instantly and securely. Tecno Spark 5 Pro features a 16-megapixel AI quad rear camera with quad flash. It comes with multiple inbuilt modes like macro, bokeh, body shaping and Google Lens to enhance your photography. The phone has an 8-megapixel dot-in display selfie camera with adjustable dual flashlights. Powered by Android V10 operating system with MediaTek Helio A25 octa-core processor. This phone makes downloading as well as browsing very smooth. It comes with a 5000 mAh battery. The box includes handset, power adapter, data cable, screen protective cover, back TPU cover, SIM eject tool, user manual and warranty card. This product comes with standard brand warranty. For EMI options, refer to product detail page. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For return or replacement policy, refer to product detail page. For further information, visit the product detail page.